Which of these helps blood to clot? The right option is option A, fibrinogen. Increased WBC count is called. The right option is option C, leukocytosis. Sickle cell anemia affects. The right option is option B, red blood cells. Which component of blood carries hormones? The right option is option D, plasma. The RH picture is a type of. The right option is option B, antigen. Incompatible blood transfusion may cause. The right option is option D, both A and C. Hemophilia is associated with deficiency of. The right option is option B, clotting factors. Which blood cells are the largest in size? The right option is option B, monocytes. Hemoglobin is made up of. The right option is option B, iron and globin. Which leukocyte increases during allergic reaction? The right option is option D, eosinophils. Blood type is determined by. The right option is option B, antigens on red blood cells. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? The right option is option D, vitamin K. The universal donor blood group is. The right option is option D, O negative. Bilirubin is formed by the breakdown of. The right option is option C, hemoglobin. The universal recipient blood group is. The right option is option B, AB positive. Which of the following destroys bacteria by phagocytosis? The right option is option B, neutrophils. Which cell is responsible for producing antibodies? The right option is option C, B cells. Decreased number of platelets leads to. The right option is option B, thrombocytopenia. Platelets originate from which cells? The right option is option A, megakaryocytes. What percentage of whole blood volume is made up of red blood cells. The right option is option C, 40 to 50 percentage. The process of blood cell formation is called. The right option is option B, hemopoiesis. The most abundant protein in blood plasma is. The right option is option B, albumin. What is the main function of red blood cells? The right option is option B, transport oxygen. Which part of the blood is primarily responsible for clotting? The right option is option C, platelets. The liquid component of blood without clotting pictures is called. The right option is option B, serum. Which of the following cells are agranulocytes? The right option is option D, lymphocytes. Which of the following is not a formed element of blood? The right option is option D, antibodies. Normal lifespan of red blood cells is about. The right option is option C, 120 days. The color of blood is due to. The right option is option C, hemoglobin. What is the average volume of blood in an adult human body? The right option is option C, 4 to 5 liters. Plasma makes up approximately what percentage of total blood volume? The right option is option D, 55%. Normal platelet count per cubic millimeter of blood is. The right option is option B, 1,50,000 to 4 lakh. The enzyme that converts fibrinogen to fibrin is. The right option is option B, thrombin. The process of stopping bleeding is called. The right option is option B, hemostasis. The normal hemoglobin content in blood is about. The right option is option C, 12 to 16 G per dl. Excessive destruction of RBCs leads to. The right option is option A, anemia. Which of these is not found in plasma? The right option is option C, hemoglobin. Which of the following is not a function of blood? The right option is option B, produce hormones. The pH of normal blood is about. The right option is option C, 7.4. Red bone marrow in adult is mainly found in. The right option is option B, flat bones only.